never to allow police brutality again. No to police brutality. And for Nigerian lawyers, the message has gone out today that never are we going to allow lawyers to be brutalized in our country. If we do not make the sacrifice of today, particularly the rally, the protest, the police will have felt that we were defeated. The commissioner did the first one, played the first one by coming here. Since you are coming to me, let me rush here and accept the letter you had wanted to deliver to me. But by going out, we have shown and demonstrated to the whole world that Nigerian lawyers have come to reject police brutality, police harassment, and intimidation. And what you have done today is going to resonate in the entire country. Our colleagues are going to follow the Lagos example. We are thankful to our colleagues from Ota for solidarizing with us. What you have shown today, sir, is that brutality to one lawyer is brutality to one lawyer. Let me therefore assure you that as long as you are prepared to tread the path of progress, you can always call on some of us. But sir, beyond the press conference and the protests of today, let us take other steps to make a point that what happened to our colleague will be the last in Lagos State. We must pursue that police officer and his area commander administratively and judicially. In other words, Mr. Chairman, there has to be a fundamental right application. We should be fined to ask for colossal damage for our colleague. And also, sir, when that case is filed, I'm going to appeal. All of us must try to be in that court, so that we are also taking the protest of today to the court. And the only way we can free ourselves from bandits is to behave like free citizens. Like my colleague said, that it's only when you have the rule of law and order, that lawyers can practice. And the last of the party, I can say this without any fear of contradiction, that I know lawyers who have bought private jets. I know lawyers who have paid the body bountifully.
Police decide to become our friend really. Your job becomes about 80% made easier. This is the truth.
Your strength as police is intelligence. Intelligence has been, aside from NEPA, the most resented organization in Nigeria is Nigerian police. And it is bad. Incidentally, I've known you as a fine officer. You might not recognize the instance where we met and all that, but if you can really pass this down to your people, there may not even be need for people to have police lawyers meetings every month. Sir, with respect, are you going to be having police vulcanizer meeting every month? Are you going to be having police beggars meeting every month? They are our people. Lawyers are not superior. And this is the message for all of us. Instead of parading ourselves, if this democracy fails, we are going to suffer more, because it is an ordered society that the lawyer makes more of his money and prosperity. And I can say, and I know Mr. Falana cannot oppose this, the last 25 years has been the most prosperous era for Nigerian lawyers, because the longest period of democracy ever seen in this country. The other thing we should know is that the power of networking, the Nigerian police is versus Nigerian Bar Association. You are organized all over the country. When this gentleman was being harassed, he told that officer, he said, "You dare not slap me. I'm a member of the NBA. Nigerian people unite, organize. This is your strength." I thank you.